Model, 2019 Peugeot Boxer 2.0 BlueHDi 335L2H2 Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 131005. Engine, 1997 ccdw10 FUD. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts on easy start. Runs great on easy start. Needs high-pressure fuel pump replacing. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition reflects the age and mileage of the vehicle. Interior is in decent, average condition still more than comfortable. Rear load area is in decent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features, 2 former keepers, cruise control, 2 keys, parking sensors, electric windows, air-con, sat-nav, cruise Contron. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Cap retail, £6,350. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.